What if I told you that people often decide whether to trust you before you've even finished your first sentence? It sounds unbelievable, but psychologists have found that our brains make incredibly fast judgments. And the strange part is that the biggest factor isn't how smart, rich, or successful you seem. The trick is something so simple that most people completely overlook it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why some people instantly make others feel comfortable wherever they go, and how you can do the same without pretending to be someone you're not. Imagine meeting someone for the first time. They don't rush to impress you. They don't dominate the conversation. Instead, they listen carefully, keep relaxed eye contact, and seem genuinely interested in what you're saying. Within minutes, you feel like you've known them for years. This isn't magic. It's psychology. Researchers have spent decades studying trust, and one idea keeps appearing. People don't trust those who appear perfect. They trust those who make them feel understood. That's a huge difference. Here's where many people get it wrong. They think trust comes from proving their intelligence or showing off their achievements. So they talk more, interrupt more, and try harder to impress. Ironically, every extra attempt can make them seem less trustworthy because the focus stays on themselves. But there's another path. Psychologists call it active listening. Instead of preparing your next response while someone else is speaking, you pay full attention. You ask thoughtful questions. You briefly repeat or summarize what they've said to show you've understood. Suddenly, the other person feels seen, and that feeling creates trust faster than almost anything else. Now comes the twist. Studies suggest that people often remember less about what you said than how you made them feel. That means your knowledge may open the conversation, but your ability to make others feel heard is what keeps the relationship alive. There's another hidden reason this works. Human brains naturally look for safety. When someone listens without rushing to judge or compete, our brains relax. We become more open, more honest, and more willing to cooperate. Trust isn't forced. It's earned through emotional safety. This principle explains why great leaders, successful salespeople, skilled negotiators, and close friends all share one habit. Before trying to influence people, they first make people feel understood. So what can you use today? The first lesson is to listen to understand, not to reply. The second is to ask sincere questions instead of trying to impress. The third is to remember people's emotions because they're often remembered longer than your words. And finally, be consistent. Trust isn't built by one perfect conversation. It's built by many small moments that prove you're genuine. So the next time you meet someone, remember the secret from the beginning. People won't trust you because you have all the answers. They'll trust you because you made them feel heard. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's one simple habit that instantly makes you trust someone?